Hi, today I will show you how to change date and time. To begin, hover over date and time on the bottom right corner of the taskbar. Now, right-click on Adjust Date and Time. Here you will be able to edit time manually or automatically. We will first begin automatically. Click where the arrow is to adjust time automatically. Or you can press here to adjust time manually. I hope this video was able to help you. If you have further questions about this topic or another, please don't hesitate to comment them below.